So guys, kind of starting this in the middle of the project, but I'm replacing my e-brake cables on both sides, the rear cables. I'm gonna kind of do a little demonstration on how to do this. This is actually my first time doing it, but I already got the cable on the passenger side off. I'll kind of show you how to do it on this side. As you can see, I don't have a light, but there's this little T-bar section right here. It looks just like this. Pretty much what you're gonna do is you're gonna have to push it up to pop it out, and there's a little where's that little clip? There's this clip right here. Actually, if you take this off, it might be easier to get it off. But after you do that, what you're gonna do is you're gonna follow it. It's got a little support area right here where it's bolted to. There's two bolts. Actually, on this side there's only one, but on the other side there is two bolts. It's like the little holder thing. But go back, get under here, show you what's going on the underside. Alright, as you can see, this is the drive shaft right here, but this is where the two areas meet. The cable on the passenger and the driver's side, they meet right here. This is where the driver's one was. Follow that up, it goes under into the cabin area where the center console is and the e-brake. That's where that's at. I already got both cables pulled off on that side right here. It's not too hard to do. I'll show you a little bit how to put the new ones on once I get it going. And yeah, it shouldn't be too hard of an install. It's, like I said, it's the first time I've ever done something like this, so I'm learning on the fly with you guys. Hopefully this will help you guys out. Alright, let me bring the light over on the other side. Hang on a second. Okay. Here's this right here. Pop this off. It's a little clip that holds that in right there. Didn't need that. Then pretty much what I did, actually took a little flathead, just like that, pops on out. Okay, the old passenger side is out. It's junk. Let's compare sides real quick. Make sure we got the right piece. Yeah, because this has only got one. This side only had one little mount to it, which is right. The only difference is it goes this way. That's for the e-brakes, and this is for the little clip, because that goes through that hole up there in the front. Okay. All right. Let's see if we can route this thing in here. Actually, I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start from underneath. All right, guys. I kind of got that all set up. We'll see how it works once I get it hooked up. But maybe not. Okay. All right. Snapped in. This is going to be the little bit of a tricky part right here. Just getting this in here. I might have to pause this part on, guys, because this is not easy to do. Alright guys, as you can see, I got it popped in there. I'm going to go ahead and route this just like it was on the OEM. Yeah, it's a tricky part. Probably should have did the other side first, but we'll get her in there. There we go. Let's see. That'll go in there just like that. I ain't gonna bolt it until I get it all the way to the back. As you can see, it'll be like that. And then I'll navigate it back up this way. Alright, hang on. Gotta get this maneuvered in here. Okay guys, I haven't got the tires back on to really test it, but once I do, I'll do a little clip. I did put the camera underneath and pulled the, left it there to where the e-brake cables connect. Pulled the e-brake handle and it does look like there's some tension pull, so I'm gonna put some tires on it, see what it does, and that's essentially how you do it. Let me go under here real quick and show you. As you can see, got it put back in here, got the clip put back in on that side, bolted back in under here around the fuel tank, up there, bolted, put back together. I greased it up a little bit just because of I'm a grease conscious kind of guy, so I like to grease a lot. Like that. Same thing. I think we're in business. Let's see if it